Don't worry, we are friends.
GM friends, and welcome back to another episode on the Friends Validator YouTube show. On this show, you will learn everything you need to know about proof of stake, but you will also learn how to make money in crypto, how you make money specifically with proof of stake, and how to stay ahead of the curve. And one easy fix, obviously, are airdrops. Everyone is talking about airdrops, and today I want to give you a very quick tutorial how to use one protocol and be eligible for 2 airdrops. So essentially, you can say this is a 2 airdrops for 1 tutorial, essentially. So let us have a closer look at it. I'm talking about Kelp DAO. Kelp DAO is a restaking application on top of EigenLayer. EigenLayer is about to do an airdrop as well, most likely. So we will have a look at the Kelp DAO application. But before we do that, before we go and use the Kelp DAO application, we have to do one step first, which is we have to go to Lido, because in order to use Kelp DAO, we need a liquid staked representation of ETH that we can restake, because Kelp DAO specifically is a restaking application for liquid staked assets. So I already connected my MetaMask here. So currently I have a 0.22 ETH here. And now I say, okay, I want to get another 0.1 ETH liquid staked. I connect my KelpDAO wallet. Very intuitive. I sign everything in my MetaMask. And voila, I'm liquid staking 0.1 ETH. And Lido is the premier, and in my book, the most secure liquid staking application in all of Ethereum. And this is the reason why I decided to liquid stake my ETH with Lido. And now we can finally go to Kelp. So the first website on Kelp looks like this: liquid restaking with RSETH. Currently, the Kelp DAO already has $262 million in assets staked, which is tremendous. So let's go on restake now. And here I can choose between ETHX or STETH. Again, since I used Lido, I have STETH. And now I want to go ahead and restake my liquid staked position. So currently I'm liquid staking my ETH, so I get rewards for this already. But now I want to increase that by restaking the rewards that I get through liquid staking. So it's an additional reward, so to say, that Kelp DAO gets me. And this is the reason why I go ahead and say, okay, I have 0.1 STETH here that I want to restake. I click on restake. I sign everything in my MetaMask wallet. And the transaction was successful. Now I'm restaking my LST via Kelp DAO. And now why is all of this so interesting? Well, you do not only restake your liquid stake position, and you do not only get rewards for liquid staking itself. There's another thing that is very, very important for people who are interested in getting airdrops. This is here, the EL points and the Kelp miles. So you get Kelp miles and EigenLayer points for doing all of this. And most people assume that the more EigenLayer points and the more Kelp miles you collect, the higher your airdrop will be. So this is a strong indicator why most likely we will see 2 airdrops, like one airdrop for the Kelp application, then another one, which is the EigenLayer airdrop. And this is how I essentially get 2 airdrops for just using one application. And if you want to get exposure to the EigenLayer ecosystem, this is a very, very easy fix to do. I mean, you have seen it, how fast everything was done. So I really recommend you to have a look at it if you have some spare ETH left that you want to stake. And if you are a little bit more adventurous, then I can really, really recommend to check out Kelp and start restaking. Again, keep an eye on the Kelp miles and the EigenLayer points. Eventually, these will be the indicator of how big your airdrop will be. And with that being said, Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was valuable to you. And if you have some spare coins in the Cosmos left or some near, then please go ahead and stake with us. We are on all the well-known proof of stake chains. If you continue to stake with us, this helps us to provide this content for free on YouTube. And yeah, also please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a like. And with that being said, I hope I will see you the next time.